Hello dear 9th and 10th graders. Welcome to English grammar class. So today we will continue with exercise 3 of chapter number 1, the sentence. So before I begin, I would like to take the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So, dear students, let's continue with today's lesson. So, before we start with exercise 3, we will revise exercise 2. The exercise 2 was about the change of interrogative sentences into assertive sentences. And to change one interrogative into assertive sentence, there was one basic rule that we had to follow. And that basic rule was that if interrogative sentence is negative, then assertive sentence must be positive. And if interrogative sentence is positive, then assertive sentence must be negative. Like we have done, who would not hate such a liar? So the interrogative sentence was negative. So we have written, everyone would hate such a liar. Now this is one assertive sentence and this is also a positive sentence. Okay, and the second example that we can have is, are we going to surrender like this? So this interrogative sentence was affirmative or positive. So we can change it into one assertive sentence that will be negative. Like, we are not going to surrender like this. Not. Now, interrogative was positive, so we have changed it into one negative assertive sentence. Here, the interrogative was negative, so we have changed it into positive assertive sentence. So, this was one basic rule. And exercise 3 is now about the change of assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. Change the following into interrogative sentences. So we will follow the same basic rule. That means if these assertive sentences given here are negative, then interrogative must be positive. And if assertives are positive, then interrogative must be negative. So apart from this, there is one second rule that you have to follow. You can follow this. Assertive sentence will be in this form: a subject plus any helping verb plus one object. For example, the subject is you, helping verb is are, and object is hardworking. You are hardworking. Now this is one assertive sentence. And to change it into one interrogative sentence, you can follow this. You will write any helping verb that is present in the sentence at the starting of the sentence, and then you will add one subject and then one object. So you can write helping verb are, subject you, object hardworking. Are you hardworking? Now this is one interrogative sentence. So this is the second rule that you can follow to change one assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. So let's begin with the exercise. You will write this work in your fair notebook. So the first sentence given here is, no one can do anything under these circumstances. No one. So because of no one, the given assertive sentence is negative. So the interrogative that will be formed from this must be positive. So we can write, who can do anything under these circumstances? So the given sentence was negative, so we have formed one positive sentence out of it. Similarly, the second one is, no one can live without hope. This is also a negative assertive sentence, so we will form one positive interrogative sentence out of it. So we can write, who can live without hope? At the end we have put one question mark. Third is, telephone is a nuisance. Now the given assertive sentence is positive. This is one affirmative or positive assertive sentence. So we can write, is telephone not a nuisance? Not. Now we have added not here. So the interrogative that is formed from this is negative. Fourth is, nothing can be obtained without sacrificing something. Nothing. So assertive sentence given here was negative assertive sentence. So the interrogative will be positive. So you can write, can anything be obtained without sacrificing something? Fifth is, this is not the way to talk to your superior. Not. So assertive sentence given here is negative. So we must form one positive interrogative sentence out of it. So you can write, is this the way to talk to your superior? Now, sixth is, there is nothing better than a busy life. Now the given assertive sentence is again negative. So the interrogative that will be formed must be positive. So you can write, is there anything better than a busy life? Now, seventh is, no one can be more faithful than your dog. The given assertive sentence is negative. So you can form one positive interrogative sentence out of it. So you can write, can anyone be more faithful than your dog? Again, eighth is, everyone likes an honest friend. Now this is one positive assertive sentence. So the interrogative that will form from this will be negative. So you can write, who does not like an honest friend? Ninth is, he could have done nothing without your advice. Nothing. So the assertive sentence given here is again negative. So interrogative must be positive or affirmative. So you can write, could he have done anything without your advice? Okay. Then 10th is, prevention is better than cure. This is one positive assertive sentence. So you can form one negative interrogative sentence from this. So you can write, is prevention not better than cure? Is prevention not better than cure? This is now one negative interrogative sentence. So this is all for today, dear students, and don't forget to write this work in your fair notebook. So all the very best.